Hi, mabuhay. It's Dora. Uh, it's September 17 today. 3 days after the conclusion of the bar exams. I haven't fully soaked everything in yet. Parang I'm in a state of limbo. Um, I got to celebrate with my friends right after the bar. Kahit sobrang pagod talaga. Parang sabi ko, I need to do this for myself. How do I feel? First of all, I'm very thankful for everyone who really supported me throughout this journey. It really does take a village to um, send an a bar taker, uh, to the bar exams. To my family, my friends, my classmates, my review mates. Uh, I'm really, really thankful for the support system that I have. Uh, the bar exams, I don't even know how to describe it. The 4 years in Ateneo, it felt like I was inside the mouth of a lion the whole time. And it was extended during the bar review and then taking the bar exams. And now that it's done, I've graduated, the bar exam is done. Now that it's done, hindi ko na alam yung pakiramdam ng hindi ako hinahabol, or hindi ko na alam yung pakiramdam ng uh, what's the word? Hindi ko na alam yung pakiramdam ng hindi ako nakikipaglaban. Because every day was really a fight for your life. And wait, just to be clear, during law school, I really had fun. Um, more fun than I should have had. I I really took my time to go out and have fun with my friends whenever I had the chance to. I even worked part time in a bar, but it still doesn't, take away the feeling na grabe, every day ako nakipaglaban. As in, every finals, every midterm, you didn't know if you were gonna be there the next semester. Hindi mo alam if kailangan mo maghanap ng ibang school. Did you do enough? And it's the same feeling this bar exam. I don't get me wrong, I did my best. Did my very best. I would have never done anything different during review. Kasi the way I reviewed, it was the way I survived Ateneo is also, it's, the way I survived Ateneo is also the way I studied for the bar exams. Kasi sabi ko, if this has worked for me for all the difficult exams that Ateneo has thrown at me, why should I do anything different? The bar exam shouldn't be any different. Of course, it's extended days. It was, what, 6, 8, 10 hours of studying a day. Sometimes even less. Pero I wouldn't have done anything different, really. Happy ako sa pag-review ko. Natapos ko lahat ng kailangan kong tapusin. And that's what it was. It was a review. I wasn't learning anything out of the ordinary. Maybe 1 or 2 or 3 topics were brand new to me. Pero most of them were things that my teachers have already taught me. Or, yeah, napag-aralan ko na yun before. So, for the bar exams, I wish maganda yung gising ng examiner kapag pag chinakan niya yung papel ko. Ay, yung papel naming lahat. Sana he sees the effort and kasi admittedly there were questions there na during the exam, hindi ko sila alam. As in, when I saw the question, sabi ko, hindi ko alam to. And then I just tried to reason my way out. I just tried to make sense out of the question. And then after, you're like, oo nga. Alam ko pala. Yun yung nakakainis. I think that's the only thing na naiinis ako sa sarili ko. Lalo na day 1. Day 1, the comm exam. I knew the answers. Hindi ko sinulat. I don't know if it was nerves or mind block. It was the only exam na I didn't feel like I was in it. All the other exams, I was locked in. It was the one exam na parang sabi ko, fuck, parang I wasn't able to perform the way I wanted to perform. My brain wasn't cooperating with me that exam. But again, I did my best and I can only hope for favorable results. What now? I'm taking my time to be with myself and be with my thoughts. Hindi pa ako nakakaiyak. Parang hindi pa ako stable. I've been talking to myself a lot, audibly. I'm moving back in with my parents next week. So I'm saying goodbye to this place also. It's been my home for 4 years. So much things has happened in this room and in this building. And I'm gonna miss Rockwell. I would want to come back as soon as I can. Sana by next year I land a really good job and be able to move back in here or in this community at least. And if not next year, maybe the next. But I know I want to live here again. Now that I've tasted the life I want, I don't want to let it go. So I'm gonna work towards it. I wanna work out again regularly. Get back in shape. I'm gonna work on my skin kasi the bar week, grabe, yung tulog mo sobrang irregular. Days 1, 2, and 3, I woke up at 2 to enter the school at 5. Imagine mo, 8 a.m. yung exam, 2 o'clock gising ka na. Grabe yung mental strain. As in, strained ka talaga. Tulog ka ng 9, gising ka ng 2. Tapos papasok ka ng 5. Kakain ka ng breakfast mga 3. 8 o'clock yung exam mo, next mong kain, after na lunch na. So, grabe, as in, aalugin ka talaga, ma'am. I'm gonna play again my games. I'm playing Arceus, Pokemon Arceus now. I wanna re-download League of Legends. Gusto ko mag-League ulit. Gusto ko mag-TFT. And then looking at, I have a stack of, kasi I don't study sa laptop. I study ng paper. And looking at the stash of papers, looking at this stash of papers, parang, grabe, hindi ko ma-imagine na ganito kadami yung binasa ko for this review. Yeah, as much as I want to go out, I want to spend time with my family. I've deprived them of being with me the past 4 years. I missed so much family gatherings. I stayed away from home. Makikita na lang ako pag holiday o kaya kapag merong birthday, hindi pa lahat. So, as much as I want to go out, I kind of want to stay home also and spend time with my parents. I want to be here more often. I want to film again. I want to talk I want to talk in front of the camera again. And I'm excited for what's ahead. I'm hopeful. I'm very, very hopeful. Confident. Siyempre, that confident. Hindi pwedeng siyempre nilaban natin yun. And for all the bar takers, new bar siblings, congratulations. We did it. Duguan man sa dulo, we did it. To our bar mom, Justice Amy, thank you for an amazing bar experience. I don't know if it's a common experience, but we really did feel loved during the bar exams, the bar prep. You made sure to check in on us. And I'm glad it was the bar I took. Yeah, wala na. It's 14 minutes now. Hindi ko na to i-edit. Pwede na to. I am happy to be back. Welcome back to my channel. Wow! Actually, welcome back to my channel. And I'll see you guys again. I'm gonna list down things I want to do. And I'll take you to this, how many months? 5-month limbo with me. This is Dora. I'll see you guys next time.